Now, the question number 3 solution is, now see, find the size, nature and position of an image when an object of size 1 centimeter is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from a concave mirror. So now, concave mirror. These are the sign conventions of concave mirror. Alright, so according to this, we have to work. So now, then first, see, when an object of size, so size, if first thing you will like given size. Size means height of an object, and that is h is equal to plus 1 centimeter. Why? Because it is above principal axis always. Either in any condition, in condition of real or virtual, whatever is happening. Is it clear? Then first thing is. Then second one is, now place at a distance of this one. So now this is distance of an object. So distance of an object u is equal to minus, that is 15 centimeter. देखो this is, ये भी आपका left hand side of mirror. Now this is, so it is also always, ये बच्चे को पता होना चाहिए everything, because that is left hand side. And the third one is focal length. Now look at this one. Focal length f is equal to minus 10 centimeter. It is also left hand side of mirror. जब तक virtual की condition नहीं देगा, so now all the question will be based on real and imaginary. So this is false. So now A आपका clear हो गया. So now B. Now required formula used. So 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. 1 upon. You are keeping the value of f, so it will be minus 10. It's equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. This u is also minus 15. So this minus 1 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon v. Minus plus is minus. So now this is. Then it will come in the front. So now 1 upon 15 minus 1 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon v, which is known as an OT, on transposition. It was formerly in the right hand side, so its sign was changed. Why? It has reached to the left hand side. So the minus is going to become 1. So now you have to take LCM. So now 15 and 10 LCM, it has 30. Now so 15 2s are 2 and 10 3s are 1 upon v. So now so this 1 upon v is equal to minus 1 upon 30. So now v is equal to minus 30 centimeter. This is also same side of mirror. This is it clear? Yes. Now look, find the size. Then nature. So first what I have to do, I have to find out the linear magnification. वैसे भी v minus आ गई है, it will be real. लेकिन for more clarity, I am writing m is equal to minus v upon u. Minus v is minus 30 upon u is minus 10. Minus minus का class, then this a. This m is equal to minus 30.
Sir, it is minus 15.
Where is that? U. Okay. This is minus. So this is 12. Am I right? No problem. Is it clear? Now, then आपका A, B, C, D. Now, position of an image. M is equal to H dash upon H. M is minus 3. H dash, you have to find. H is 1. So therefore, H dash is equal to minus 3 centimeters.
Minus 2 minus 2. Minus.
And minus 2, oh, sorry. Okay? इसका मतलब आपका क्या हो गया? It is also A. प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस। ये नई पेन है, आपके इलाके की पेन है। So now, is it clear? So now E, nature of an image. A very important, V is equal to negative, ये देखिए, and M is equal to negative, ये देखो, तो it means red. And third one, H dash is equal to negative, देखो, तो this is the inverted, इसीलिए रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड होता है। तो ना नेचर भी हो गया, पोजीशन ऑफ इमेज भी हो गया आपका। ये इसमें जितना पूछा था हमने उतना कर लिया। फर्स्ट यू डू इट, फिर हम एक्स्ट्रा क्या कर सकते हैं इस क्वेश्चन में, यू विल डू इट नाउ प्लीज। दीज क्वेश्चंस आर योर सब्जेक्टिव। इनको अगर आपको इफ यू टू चेंज, अगर फाइंड द साइज हटा दो इसमें से, देखो ये, तो यहाँ पर अगर आप इसको लिख दें, द साइज ऑफ एन इमेज, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन -3, सेकेंड ऑप्शन -2, थर्ड ऑप्शन -4 और फोर्थ ऑप्शन -1। तो जब आपका OMR सीट बढ़ते हैं आपका, जैसे ये आपका देखिए नाम, जैसे आपका हाइट ऑफ इमेज क्या है, -2। ये सर्किल आपका जो ब्लैक HB से कर देंगे। तो अगर फाइंड नहीं आएगा साइज ऑफ एन इमेज, तो आपका सब्जेक्टिव का ऑब्जेक्टिव बना सकते हैं, आपका MCQ बना सकते हैं। उसका पहली चीज तो ये है जो आपने एक्स्ट्रा आपका। अब हम क्या करेंगे, ये चीज तो हो गई, अब हम एक बार रे डायग्राम बना करके देखते हैं एक्स्ट्रा में। सुनो, concave mirror है, this is pole, principal axis, main focus, center of curvature. Is it clear? Now this is the distance between the pole and the principal focus is focal length. F is equal to how much? That is -10 centimeter. So now radius of curvature is equal to, this is 12, so now this is -20 centimeter. Specification must be proper. So now then U is equal to minus, so now put this U, the same A, B, this H is equal to 1 centimeter above the principal axis, and this distance will be C. U is equal to -15 centimeter from the optical center. So from the top or from the head of this object, when any incident ray parallel to principal axis, after impacting on this one, collision on this, it has to pass. That is the mandatory rule. Nobody can say nahi ye ray to yahan se nahi, because anywhere it is just kept, and from its head any ray which is going parallel to the principal axis, after impact it has to pass from that principal focus में। दूसरी ray आप ऐसे जा सकते हैं, या देखिए सेकेंड, this ray is going from principal focus and टकराने के बाद so now this is V. V is equal to the chapter of -30 centimeter. This is R here. A dash B dash A. H dash is equal to -2 centimeter. This is so now place of an object. focus and center of curvature. And the second thing is place of an image. This is beyond center of curvature. इधर फिर वही आ गया. एंड इसका जो फिर यूसेज है कहाँ होगा? वेयर इट्स यूसेज विल बी. अरे अभी तो आपने किया है, जरा याद करिए. फ्लड लाइट. एक चीज अब कैलकुलेशन एक और देख लेते हैं. नाउ वी आर यूजिंग द थर्ड फॉर्मूला. ये देखिए तो आपका m इज इक्वल टू f माइनस बी अपॉन m. चेक कर लेते हैं -2 आता है नहीं आता. देखिए तो m इज इक्वल टू द वैल्यू ऑफ f इज व्हाट? दैट इज -10 माइनस v इज व्हाट? दैट इज -30 एंड अपॉन अगेन देखिए m इज इक्वल माइनस माइनस का प्लस अपॉन माइनस. देखो ठीक है, बोलो प्लस 20 अपॉन माइनस 10. अब क्या करें? if you have focal length and the distance of an image, so you can use this formula. अभी नहीं, हमें तो पढ़ाया नहीं मास्टर के, तुम्हें किसने पढ़ा दिया? तो ये चीज नहीं होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, सो डू इट प्लीज.